NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train.
Miko & Sons Sales and Service, 347 East Washington Street, Newcastle, has lawnmowers of every type. Zero-turn country clippers, made in the USA, 42-inch to 54-inch cut. Batteries by Oregon. They'll service at your home or their shop. Service specials start as low as $69. Call Jim Miko & Sons, 724-652-6911.
Hi, and welcome to NewsWatch. Governor Wolf announces affordable housing for Butler County. Governor Wolf announced today that new funding to support construction of 588 units of affordable housing development in Lancaster Township, Butler County. This is an investment for people and the economy of Butler County and will help make housing more affordable for hundreds of families, said Wolf. By supporting the construction of new housing and infrastructure improvements will help the township to attract more residents and will help shop at local stores and expand the tax base. So Butler County getting some affordable housing. Now we're going to take this break on NewsWatch. We'll return right after our word from these great sponsors.